I was asked to make some 7-layer bean dip, so I haven't done it in a while. I start off with my refried beans. I use a taco seasoning. Normally, I just use a taco seasoning and this sour cream and mix that up together, but this side I decided to add a little extra to the beans. So I stir those up. And then the next thing I'm going to do is put them in the bowl and flatten it because I want to layer it. Using my spatula, I'm going to try to smooth it out at the bottom of the bowl. I'm now going to add the sour cream. I have the taco seasoning mix stirred up in there already. Let it sit overnight. Now I'm going to pour it on top of the beans and try to layer that as well. And smooth it out. I don't know, everything seems to be runny to me for some reason. Anyway, I'm using the holy moly guacamole because I didn't have time to deal with the avocados, cutting them up, mashing them, and take the chance on getting one that's bad. So I decided to take the shortcut and use this. It seems so runny though, because in the past when I've done, it's been a while since I've done this, and normally it's a little thicker than this. Also, these are different containers from what I remember back in the past. They used to be square. But this seems a little bit more liquidy. So of course I'm going to layer this on top of the sour cream. I probably should have used this particular one. This is another brand, and it seems a lot thicker than the holy guacamole. I'm quite disappointed with that. I'll probably never use it again. That was too runny. Now I'm going to add the cheese on it. As you can see, I'm loading it down with the cheese. Probably too much cheese, which is probably weighing it down. Now, as you can see, the guacamole looks like it is disappearing. It's sinking down into the sour cream. Looks like what's happening, the guacamole, the cheese is pushing the guacamole into the sour cream. And now I'm adding the tomatoes on top, which is going to push everything down even further. Like I said, it's been a while since I made this. because you're supposed to see the colors, the brown and the beige and the green and the red. It just wasn't happening this time. I consider this a fail on presentation, and I loaded up on the vegetables also. Like I said, it's a long time ago since I've done it, and there's a lot of recipes here on YouTube on how to do this. Some people use meat. I just use the beans, the sour cream, the guacamole, and the tomatoes, the olives, and the green onions, and that's it. As I said, it's a fail on presentation. See you on the next one. Bye.